Alright, hello everyone, it is brendanryanvandenberg here, welcome back to another video guys, and today I wanted to do some videos on helping you guys get started with YouTube, and just some tips I have learned from using YouTube myself. So I should have probably checked this before you start recording, but you do get to see some of the flaws with YouTube. So I'm not really too concerned about that kind of stuff. So this is going to be a mini part tutorial series on becoming a YouTuber, and I really wanted to show off some. Now, I don't know if you're going to be a streamer or if you're going to be a recorder. These are going to be the things that are going to really convince you to be a YouTuber if you want to go for the hassle of it, or if it's like, okay, maybe this isn't for me. So I do every bit of the myself. I make my intro, I make my outro, I do the editing, I do the recording. I basically have to do every single bit of it. So, and for me, it's quite therapeutic. Now, if you do it how I'm doing, with waiting, it could take you 2 hours. So you do want to occupy yourself doing other things in the meantime, and then, if you want your editing to be really good or just kind of basic, sometimes if it's basic, for me, it's like, oh, okay, that could have been very better, but if not, it could really maybe affect your video. So this is OBS Studio, and today I'm going to be showing off two OBS, Streamlabs OBS and OBS Studio. I'm pretty sure these are not for the same people. These are actually competitors. So this one's very basic, and this one's a lot more of an easier interface, but I don't recommend this for recording. I only recommend this for streaming. Yes, you have the option to record, but the file it uses once it's finished recording is not very good. And this is probably come up in the near future because this does give you some more features when you get the Prime, which is $20 a month. But that's going to be important in an upcoming video. So, today's recording. So, this is OBS Studio. This is the one I fully recommend. Now, if you are doing like a Windows and whatnot, that is... Okay, I'm just going to close out of these real quick. But if you are doing a... if you're using like a Chromebook or something, which, I mean, how are you gonna do too many games on that? I guess it does have the web store. You can use a web browser recorder. Now this one you're gonna upgrade. I'm pretty sure it's a one-time upgrade with Ultimate Recording and whatnot, but it's very basic. But it's Screencastify if you're wanting a Chrome extension instead of going for the hassle of anything else. So let's see here. Man. So yeah, this is recording your entire screen. Which, if you don't really want your viewers to see that, this is sources. So when you load it up, you're gonna have some basic controls. And the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the sources. Yes, there's scenes. Now I'm pretty sure scenes, if you like another scene, scene 2. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see anything if I go to scene 2, but if I go to scene 1, you're gonna be able to see something. Basically, scenes, like, let's say I'm streaming, right, and I can go to scene 2 if it's like, we'll be right back, or if it's like the start of a stream and you started it, but you still want a countdown or something like that. That's all gonna be done for this, and you get a lot more involved with that using Streamlabs OBS. So you have your scene, right, and they have a number of sources. So, like, you can have a scene that's strictly a webcam, and you can have a scene that's strictly gameplay, or a string that's strictly, or that's both gameplay and webcam. Really, whatever you want. So, you have display capture, and then you have, you can add like images, you can add, I think this is a browser capture, so if you're using like an internet browser, or I think it does Pacific tab. I could be wrong about that, but you know, you can do that. You can have audio input, audio, but most of what you're going to be using are the captures, unless you want to add like an image or a media or like um, some other stuff. So you have window capture. Um, so what differs between game capture and window capture is, I'm pretty sure just how it recognizes things, but I'm pretty sure you can use both game capture and window capture. Window capture will work on all windows. So I have Streamlabs as a window open, and OBS as a window open, and Epic Launcher as a open, and my files open as a window. So those are all windows. Um, yeah. And then you have your browser, and then you have your the display capture will do the entirety of your screen, and then game capture will do a game that's open. So, all you do is, like, let's say we want to go to game capture, right? And I don't know if you're able to see this right now. You should be able to. So there's like this, and then you can go to the capture specific window, and then window. We can just say we can have that. What is Microsoft Edge doing open? What? I guess just like, is Chrome available? I have no idea. These are tabs. You have a game open, it should be able to recognize those. And I think browser would be recognizing Chrome. So let's do Epic, I guess. Right? And that's, I don't actually have, oh, it'll show like the ad. It'll sometimes play it at the corner, but no, if I open that, I have to go okay, and I have to go to game capture, right? And then it should be open. I think I did it wrong. Oh man, that is quite awkward. Wow, okay. So I'm completely new to this, but man, so unprofessional. I don't do too much recording. Then this is a brand new desktop, and it is 11:17 at night. If you have a game open, all you really should have to do is have the game actually open, like like I have Chrome open, right? It actually has to be open. It doesn't have it can't be minimized, and then that's game capture. I'm sure if it did window capture, it work a little bit better, or I'm pretty sure it's not. I guess it could be blocked because of like passwords leaked and whatnot. So you have a few basic buttons. You have start recording and stop recording. And then to find your videos, you go to the file, and you go to show recordings, which will open the file and where your recording save. And then you can start streaming. I have an extra stream for this. I have stream with Streamlabs OBS, which I recommend for streaming. Recommend just OBS Studio for recording. So all you really need is you want to keep actually desktop audio. So I want to make sure your desktop audio isn't too high. Reason I say that is if your desktop volume actually physically isn't too high, I'm pretty sure that's just how much it's like displaying out on a speaker or something like that. But theoretically, it's 100% on recording. So if you're playing a game and you want your voice to be higher, you want desktop audio to be lower. And mic, you always want to make sure it's staying in the green. So at first, it might have been super loud, but I want to make sure it's quite low. That way, my voice is pretty good. So this is really easy to use, and it's really fun to play around with. So that's the basics for Streamlabs. You have different scenes, and then you have like your display capture and what part of the screen is recording. And then I could add a webcam. I can't add a webcam right now, man, but I you can add a webcam. Whatever your preference is. So next we're gonna do OBS Studio, or oh man, am I crazy? We're gonna do Streamlabs Studio. This is actually gonna be kind of weird. So that's just me exploring. So there is an app store, but it requires the Prime. But apart from that, it is free. So let's just go to here. So here's Mike. So that's probably, I guess I haven't used OBS on this account yet. New PC. I know already. My friend Lucas gave me one. Shout out to him. His Twitch is in the description. Um, and this is pretty similar. This is really good for going live. And if you actually record on this one, the file, it's going to take a converter, and if you do like a 20-minute video, it won't convert on online converters because it's like a special file, and you're probably going to want the MP4 file for video editing. So overall, this is very the same layout as the other one was, but this is what it's seeing. This is the mini feed. You're seeing your sources and the mixer on audio, and you can go live here. Your scheduled streams, you can start a replay buffer, and then you can record. But I don't recommend recording just because of how the file is when you're done recording. I recommend using OBS because the file is watchable on Windows devices. You can also get both these from Mac, I'm pretty sure. At least this one you can get from Mac, Streamlabs. And then you'll just go live. And going live it's pretty easy. You'll go to YouTube and you will go to like your settings, or you'll go to like the videos. Like, okay, let me see if I can do this. Because I can easily just blur out anything that's might be leaked. So YouTube, and then we can go to oh man, my recommendations right now. Oh, bad lip reading. Have to watch that later. So if we go to my channel, thank you guys for 160 subscribers. Not much, but this is a small community, which I can really appreciate. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to YouTube Studio. That needs to be updated. I have something in the makings of that. Then you want to go to with new YouTube. You can go to videos, and then live, and then you'll okay. And then maybe it's create, and then go live. And I'm pretty sure there's a way you can like create a stream which is planned, but I'm pretty sure that might be for go live. I just gotta go live. Yes, you can. And then you get scheduled for later. So you create a stream here, and then it recognizes it on. Oh, that's nice. And Streamlabs should pick it up, and I think OBS would pick it up. So that's how to do streaming. Video editing, or at least having a video, is same for mobile and same for PC, is create and then upload videos. So guys, that is the basic tutorial on how to do recording on your journey to becoming a YouTuber. This is nothing professional right now. And I'm not even sure if I have my mic angle at the right point, and this video was very meh made. This video is mostly just test recording on this device. So I appreciate you guys so much, and I wanted to help you guys out growing a YouTube channel because I've kind of always wanted to do that. And I just have many goals in life, and I think having a YouTube channel would be one of them for sure. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next video. Goodbye.